Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today exercise is 5.4. Question number 1, bit number 1. 8a cube plus 27y cube. Applying the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. 8a cube means 2a whole cube. 27 means 3y whole cube. 2a is represented by a cube. 3y represented by b cube. Therefore, a plus b is equal to a square minus ab plus b square. Substituting the value of a as 2a and b as 3b. Therefore, 2a plus 3b into 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Now, next question is x cube. Question number 1, bit number 2. X cube plus y6 plus 8z cube. X cube plus y6 is the cube of xy square whole cube plus 2z cube. A cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is the formula which we use here, where a is xy square and b is 2z. Substituting the value of a and b in the above formula, xy square plus 2z into xy square whole square minus xy whole square, xy square into 2z plus 2z whole square. Therefore, xy square plus 2z into x square y4 minus 2xy square z plus 4z square. This is the answer. Bit number 3. Question number 1, bit number 3. x6 plus 64t cube. x6 is the cube of x square whole cube and 64t cube is the cube of 4t cube. Taking x square is a cube and 4t is b cube. Applying the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Substituting the value of a and b in the formula, we get x square plus 4t into x square whole square minus x square 4t plus 4t whole square. Now, x square plus 4t into x4 minus 4x square t plus 16t square is the answer. Now, bit number 4, 2x cube plus 2y cube. Taking 2 common, x cube plus y cube. Applying the formula of a cube plus b cube, we get 2 into x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Bit number 5, question number 1, t5 plus t square y cube. Taking t square common, t cube plus y cube. Now applying the formula a cube plus b cube for t cube plus y cube. T square into t whole cube plus y whole cube. T square into t plus y into t square minus ty plus y square. This is the answer. Now, bit number 6, x4 over 3 plus xy 4 over 81. Taking xy over 3 common, we get x cube plus y cube over 27. Now, xy over 3 curly bracket x cube plus small bracket y over 3 whole cube. Applying the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. X y over 3, a is x and b is y over 3. xy over 3 into x plus y, bracket close, bracket open, x square minus xy over 3 plus y square over 9. Question number 2, x cube minus 64. Here we have to apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. The question number first was a cube plus b cube. Now question 2 is the formula, application of formula is a cube minus b cube. X cube is the cube of x, 64 y cube is the cube of 4y. Now suppose x is a and 4y is a b. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Putting the value of a and b in the formula, we get x minus 4y, curly bracket, x whole square plus xy into 4y plus 4y whole square. The result is x minus 4y into x square 4 plus 4xy plus 16y square. Question number 2, bit number 3, 2x cube minus 250t cube. Taking 2 common, we get x cube minus 125t cube. Now, 2 curly bracket x whole cube minus 5t whole cube. Applying the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now, substituting the value of a and b as a is x and b is 5t. We get 2 into x minus 5t, curly bracket, open, x whole square plus x into 5t plus 5t whole square. The result will be 2 into x minus 5t, bracket close, bracket start, x square plus 5tx plus 25t square. Question number 2, bit number 4. y5 minus y square z cube. Taking y square common, we get y cube minus z cube. Applying the formula of a cube minus b cube. A is y and b is z. Therefore, y square into y minus z into y square plus yz plus z square. Now, bit number 5, a4b over 81 minus ab4 over 3. Taking ab over 3 common, we get a cube over 27 minus b cube. Now, ab curly bracket, a over 3 whole cube minus b whole cube. A over 3 is a and b is the b. Applying the formula of a cube minus b cube, we get ab over 3 into a over 3 minus b over minus b, bracket close, bracket open, a square plus 9, a square over 9 plus ab over 3 plus b square. This is the answer. Now, bit number 6, a cube, b cube, c cube minus 1 over a cube, b cube, c cube. A cube, b cube, c cube is the cube of abc whole cube minus 1 over abc whole cube. ABC is a and minus 1 over abc is a b. Applying the formula of a cube minus b cube is equal to where a is abc and b is a 1 over abc. We get abc minus 1 over abc into a square plus a square b square c square plus abc into 1 over abc plus 1 over a square b square c square. ABC will cancel each other. Then the result will be the ABC minus 1 over ABC into a square b square c square plus 1 over a square b square. Question number 3, x6 minus y6. x6 is the cube square of x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. Applying the formula of a square minus b square, we get x cube minus y cube into x cube plus y cube. Applying the formula a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube, we get x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square into x plus y, x into x square minus xy plus y square. Then the result will be the x minus y, x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square. Question number, bit number third, question number 3, x12 minus y12. x12 minus y12 is the square of x6 whole square minus y6 whole square. The result will be the x6 minus y6 into x6 plus y6. Now again, applying the formula a square minus b square on x6 minus y6, you get x cube whole square minus y cube whole square into x6 plus y6. The result will be the x cube minus y cube into x cube plus y cube into x6 plus y6. Now applying the formula of a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube in all the three terms, three brackets, we get x whole cube minus y whole cube, curly bracket close, curly bracket start, x whole cube plus y whole cube, curly bracket close, curly bracket start, x square whole cube plus y square whole cube, curly bracket close. We get x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square into x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square into x square plus y square into x4 minus x square y square plus y4. This one is the most important question. Question number 3, bit number 4, x6 plus 64 y6. x6 is the cube of x square whole cube, 64 y6 is cube of 4 y square whole cube. Applying the formula a cube plus b cube, we get x square plus 4y square into x4 minus 4x square y square plus 16y4. Question number 3, bit number 5, x6 plus b9 y9. x6 is the cube of x, a6 is the cube of a square whole cube, and b9 y9 is the cube of b3 y3 whole cube. Applying the formula of a cube plus b cube, we get a square plus b3 y3 into a4 minus a square b cube c y cube plus b6 y6. Now, bit number 6, question number 3, ax12 plus ay12. Taking a common, we get x12 plus y12. x12 is the cube of x4 whole cube plus y4 whole cube. Applying the formula of a cube plus b cube, we get a into x4 plus y4 into x8 minus x4 y4 plus y8. Now question number 4, bit number 1, a cube minus a square plus 2. Now in step number 2, a cube minus a square, 2 is divided into 1 plus 1. A cube minus a cube plus 1 minus a square plus 1. A cube is the a whole cube, 1 is the 1 whole cube. Taking minus sum, we get a square minus 1. Applying the formula of a first two terms, a cube plus b cube, we get a plus 1 into a square minus a plus 1. Now a square minus 1 is the factor of a square minus, applying the formula a square minus b square, we get a minus b into a plus b. Taking a minus 1 common, we get a square minus a plus 1 minus round bracket 1 a minus 1 round bracket close, curly bracket close. We get a plus 1 into a square minus a plus 1 minus a plus 1. The result will be a plus 1 a square minus 2a minus a 2a. 1 plus 1 2. That's all. See you again inshallah next time.